Hello viewers, welcome to our home economics practical. Today we'll be making pap using guinea corn, millet, cloves and ginger. Guinea corn is a low-fat food product which reduces heart diseases.
Millet is a rich source of vitamin B which helps in brain function.
To start the process, we'll be pouring the guinea corn in a bucket of water. We will allow the guinea corn to soak in the water for 24 hours. Then, we allow it to soak for 24 hours.
After 24 hours, we'll wash our millet and guinea corn and take it to a grinding machine for processing.
The millet and the guinea corn have been properly washed. Now we add the ginger and cloves.
Come along with me to the grinding mill. We are back from the grinding mill and we are going to sieve the guinea corn and millet paste with a muslin cloth. Sieving, we are going to separate the shaft from the paste. For the final stage, we'll be making the guinea corn and millet pap. We'll pour in our boiled water into the pap.
You can add milk and sugar to your desired taste.
Now our pap is ready. This brings us to the end of JSS2 Home Economics Practical on guinea corn and millet pap.
Ryan Little.